Okay, thank you. Your name, ma'am? Lelaine. Okay. Wallace and Lelaine? Devin. Wallace, Lelaine, and Devin. Devin. What is that? Really? That's a tape measure, huh? Hate to tell you, that's all of your lives. Every single one of you live on that tape measure. Because 1 inch will equal 1 year of your life. That's a fact. So, Devin, Wallace, take this tape measure, pull it out. If you'll go down this way, Devin, so they can see the numbers. Wallace, take it out to 85. Okay, 85, please, sir. Elena, is that 85? Hold it up so everybody can see the numbers. Perfect. Elena, how old are you?
23.
23, young lady. Put this on the number 23. Years of age. Most high school students are how old, would you think, when they graduate? 18. Put it on 18. Now, the ones that have served the military and the adults, you probably fall in here somewhere. When do you think, in the United States of America, most people retire to get Social Security? What age? 65. And the government is now moving it to say, you know what? You're younger. We're going to have to move it. And they have now moved it to 67. Wow. Now watch this. Most Americans, and you're a proof here because most of you fall between 17 and about, let me see how many of you fall between 17 years of age and 24, a show of hands. So, holy cow. The government says most Americans make a decision when to go ahead and make a living in a career they're going to do for their life between 17 and 24. Elena's 23. You graduate from here when? 1 year and maybe a little more. Move that to 24 and a half. That's when Elena finishes. From here to 67, how many years is that? Any mathematician? It is 24 to 67. 43 years. 4 decades. We all live on this. We have to make a living. Many of you want to buy a house. Many of you want new vehicles. In this short period of time, what you put in here is what you get out and will determine the actual living that you will make. It's a fact. So I'm going to ask you, do you want somebody to take your inches away from you of earning money? Absolutely not. And what you do here in that short time, your attendance, your professionalism, your attitude, your grade point average. Do you realize how many companies, due to this legacy this campus has? When you meet the employment department, they will have, during your time here, over 100 companies either fly in here or drive in here to interview you. 100. Some students get offers right here while they're here. This inch in this life, all of you have come here for a reason. But I want to tell you, nobody can give you a shot and guarantee you success. You will compete, and the better students will get the better offers, and the students with the right attitude will be the ones that know their ROI was in that short period. So Walt, Devin, Elena, there's 3 people here. Went in the military. How old are you? 25. And Elena's 23. And every single human being. Now, Elena, how old do you think I am? Why don't you take that little red thing there and put it how old you think I am? And be nice, Elena. Be a little nice. You get it? There you go. Okay, put it wherever you want. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Where'd she put it on?
70.
She's close. Damn it. I thought I looked younger, but probably not. Okay, thank you. I'm 71. My tape measure is over, other than a red box or whatever box they put me in. Average male lives to 78. Average female lives to 82. I've seen it. I've seen thousands. Next year will be my 50th year in the school business. And I have seen all walks of life making something out of when they go to a school like NADC. It's probably no better in the Tennessee and in the South. No better. But you'll be on this tape measure and you'll make your way. Let's give Wallace, Devin, Elena, let's give them a big round of applause.